Children, get ready. Our Maldives trip is starting today.
I got my Captain America. Now I'm ready.
Good job. Now we can go. Don't forget your passport, dear.
Oh no, I almost forgot it. Let's check our bags. Passports, tickets, clothes, toothbrush, and toys are all packed. We have reached the airport safely. We have arrived at the airport early.
This airport is very big and busy.
Let us find our check-in counter. Okay, this way.
Great, let's go.
We want to check in for our flight to the Maldives.
Our bags are going inside the airplane. Wow, really? Yes, they are.
Please stay close and follow the rules.
Okay, Mom. I can see our airplane outside.
It is time to board our flight.
I am going inside the airplane now.
Our journey is starting now.
The flight is very smooth and comfortable.
The clouds and ocean look so beautiful.
We have arrived in the Maldives. The water is so clear, bright blue.
This resort looks very peaceful and beautiful. I can see many colorful fish in the water.
Let us build a big sandcastle together.
Okay, Daddy. Yeah. Look, my legs are hidden inside the sand mountain. Let us play with the beach ball on the sand.
Look at the beautiful ocean from our boathouse. The sunset is so calm and beautiful. This trip to the Maldives is very special for us.